Here you can see that this is stem and leaf diagram. Now with the help of this stem and leaf, we have to find out the median range and interquartile range. First of all, you must be aware of that how to read this stem and leaf diagram. 0, 9, this stem, and these are the leaves. 0, 9 mean the first number is 9. 1, 2 mean 12. So if you are going to write down this data in a line, so basically this data is consisting of 9, then 12, then 21, because this is 12, this is 21, then 22, 28, 30, then this 4 and 0, 40, 41, and then again 41. There are two 41, then 42, 48, 49, and so on. Clear? So in this way, you can write down all the numbers, but it's not required that you are going to write down all the numbers like this. So from here, you must be able to read this. How many numbers are here in the data? 20. There are 20 numbers. How we are going to calculate? We have to calculate only the leaves, not the stems. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You are not going to count these. You are going to count only the leaves. Okay? Is that clear? Now, how to find out the median? It is very important. It is very important to find out the median, because normally students make a mistake while calculating the median. If the data is very vast data, its frequency is very high, so it becomes very difficult for a student to find out the median. So from this data, because it is a smaller data, so with the help of this data, you can find out median very easily. Now, median very easily. Here, there are 20 number of values. All these are the 20 values. G. So here are 20 values. The median comes at 10th value and 11th value. You will have to see that what is the 10th value and 11th value. Start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay? So 10th value is G. What is 10th value? Now 42. 10th value is 42, because you have to read with the stem. 42. This is the 10th value. So while finding out the median is equal to 10th plus 11th value divided by 2, because these are even number of values. There are 20 values. That's why their middle will come, because median is the middle value, so their middle will come at 2 values. For example, if you have 6 values, suppose you have 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, where the middle will come, because 3 divide to right side and 3 divide by left side. So in the middle, 2 values will come if there are even number of values. This formula applies in the case of even number of values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th value is 42. 42 plus 48 divided by 2. So we are going to find out the mean of the middle two values. 45. So median is 45. Now what is the range of the data? 86. How you got to know 86? The highest is 95 and the lowest is 9. So range is 95 minus 9 is 86. 86. This is the range. Now quartile. We are going to find out the quartile. For quartile, if you are going to divide the data into two halves, 10 values for the first half, till here there are 10 values. Starting from here till this 42, there are 10 values. The next 10 values are starting from 48 till 95. For these 10 values, you have to find out the first quartile. Which two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth value and sixth value, 28 and 30. For the lower quartile, we are going to if I am going to find out Q1, for Q1, First of all, I divided the data into two halves. Please observe it very carefully, because starting from here till this, there are 10 values. For first these 10 values, the remaining 10 values will be used to find out the upper quartile. But first 10 values are being used to find out the lower quartile. So here, fifth value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth value is 28. Fifth value plus sixth value divided by 2. Fifth value is 28 plus the sixth value is 30 divided by 2. So lower quartile is 29. So this is your lower quartile. Now as far the upper quartile is concerned, Q3. For Q3, you will have to see the next 10 values. From here, I am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 73 and 79. Okay? 73 plus 79 divided by 2. What is the answer? 76. So this is the upper quartile. So because it was required that find out the interquartile range, that is why I calculated both the quartiles. Now what will be the interquartile range? So Q3 minus Q1 is equal to Q3 is 76 and Q1 is 29, 47. So interquartile range is 47.